Antidote4US.
Welcome to Antidote4US, your path to healthier living, your go-to destination for cultivating a healthier lifestyle and fostering positive habits. Here, we embark on a journey towards holistic wellness, focusing on nourishing both body and mind. Join us as we explore a plethora of topics aimed at empowering you to make informed decisions for your well-being. From delicious and nutritious recipes to insightful discussions on mental health, we provide the antidote to common unhealthy habits
Antidote4US.
that hinder our vitality. We delve into the intricacies of mental health, offering guidance, support, and practical strategies to nurture emotional well-being. We shed light on topics such as stress management, mindfulness, and self-care, empowering you to prioritize mental wellness in your daily life. At Antidote4US, we believe in the power of education and community. Together, we strive to cultivate a culture of health and vitality, one healthy choice at a time. Whether you're seeking inspiration, motivation, or simply a friendly voice to guide you on your journey, you'll find it here. Subscribe now and embark on the path to a healthier, happier you. Let's unlock the antidote to a better life together.
Antidote4US.